students, today I am going to start exercise 5D. Exercise 5D. Question number 1. It is 9 into first part 9 into 2 by 3. Nine two ja 18. 18 upon 3. 3 can divide this 18. 3 can divide this 18. 3 1 ja 3. 3 6 ja 18. So answer is 6. Okay. Similarly, you can do second part also. I am telling you third part. 7 by 9 into 3 by 14. Here you see there are two ways to solve it. This 7 can divide this 14. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14 in this way. And this 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So 1 upon 3 2 ja 6. So answer is 1 upon 6. In the same way, fifth part 3 by 5. 3 by 5 into 4 by 7 into 5 by 16. There it is. You see this 5 can divide this 5. This 4 can divide 4 4 ja 16. So this numerator is left as 3 upon 7 into 4. 7 4 ja 28. So this is 3 upon 28. This is your answer. Okay. Now seventh part. 2 whole 3 by 10 into 3 by 5. So 2 whole 3 by 10 means 10 2 ja 20 plus 3. That is 23 by 10 into this 3 upon 5. So 23 into 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 2 ja 6. 69 upon 10 5 ja 50. You can write 69 upon 50, or you can divide this in this fraction also. 69 divided by 50. This is 50 1 ja 50. 19 is left, so 1 whole 19 upon 50. You can write this answer also. Both answers are correct, either this or this. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Find the value of 1/4 of a minute. 1/4 means 1 by 4. 1/4 of a minute. Of a minute. 1 by 4 of means multiplied. 1 minute, you know, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 by 4 into 60. Now this 4 can divide this 60. 60 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 2 is left, and then 0, 4, 5 ja 20. So this is 15. 15 is answer. This way do this. Now second part, first part. Second part, 4 by 50 of 1 kg. 4 by 50 of 1 kg. 4 by 50 of 1 kg means 1000. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Now this 0 will cancel with this 5. Here 10. It will come 20. 20 into 4. 24 ja 80. Okay. So this 80 is the answer. Now third part. Third part is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 of a leap year. Leap year. You know, one leap year is equal to 366 days. One leap year is equal to 366 days. So 5 by 6 of means multiplied by year means 366. So 6 divide this 366. 6 ja 36. 6 1 ja. You can divide like this, 366 divided by 6. So 6 ja 36, and then 6 will be here. 6 1 ja 6. Now 61, and now 61 into 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 6 ja 30. Okay. So in this way you can do third part. Now fourth part, 7 by 8 of 1 day. 7 by 8 of 1 day means 7 by 8 of 1 day means 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 8 can divide 24. 8 3 ja 24. Now 7 3 ja 21. 21 hours. Okay. This up to question number 2. Now question number 3. Find the reciprocal of 4 by 5. Reciprocal means the reverse of that. Reciprocal of 4 by 5. Reciprocal of 4 by 5 means 5 by 4. It will be inverted. फ्रैक्शन उलट जाएगी. रेसिप्रोकल निकालने के लिए फ्रैक्शन को उलट देते हैं. दिस इज 4 by 5. So reciprocal will be 5 by 4. Similarly, reciprocal of 7. 7 means 7 by 1. So reciprocal of 7 will be 1 by 7. Third, you see 3 whole 2 by 7 it is given. So 7 3 ja 21. 21 plus that is 23. 23 by 7. So reciprocal of this, reciprocal of 23 upon 7 equal to 7 upon 23. Okay. So this is about reciprocal. Question number 4. Divide 35 35 divided by 1 by 5. You see, when this division converts into multiplication, then this fraction will be inverted, reciprocal. 35 division 1 by 5 means 30 multiplied by 5 by 1. 5 by 1. So 35 into 5, you can multiply 5 to the 25, 5 to the 15, and 2, 17. So 175. Similarly, second part also you can do. Now third part. Third part is 8 by 12 divided by 18. 5 by 18. 8 by 12 divided by 5 by 18. So it is 8 by 12 divided by. So when you convert to multiplication, then this fraction will be inverted. Reciprocal you will write, it is 5. Now you can multiply or you can simplify it like this. 6 can divide both. 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. 2 can divide 8, 2 4 is 8. 4 into 3, 4 3 is 12, 12 upon 5. 12 upon 5, or you can divide this, you can write it into mixed fraction also, or you can this 5 2 is 10. So 2 will be left, so 2 whole 2 by 5. This is 2 whole 2 by, this is your answer. Okay.